Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can install this washing machine hose adapter. And today video I'm going to show you the three options for installing this one. First one is this one, second one like this, and the third one in this option. Okay, now let's go on together. First of all, I'm going to show you connect with direct with the outside screw for your PVC pipe. So you need to select the PVC pipe that have the same size of this one. So I suggest first of all you need to go to the shop and then bring this one and check out your PVC pipe, connect it together like this, and don't forget to buy this PVC tab. So you need to tap your PVC here like this. It prevent the water leakage from your screw area. This one is just my example. For your actual installation you can use the tab is more than this. Okay, and then just screw this one to your PVC and connect another side to your washing machine. And after that you need to buy the reuser from this one and reuse to the PVC pipe and connect it together if you want to use it to another PVC. So now we finished the first one. And another thing, if you want to connect this one to a PVC pipe, so okay, to connect it to the PVC pipe, first of all you need to remove out this one and then take it out. And this one we not use it, you can keep it away. And then you need to have a screwdriver. Move all the screw out from this. Okay, as I showed in the video. Okay, after we remove the driver like this position, and then you need to put this one into your PVC pipe. But first of all you need to check your PVC pipe first. So we don't need the option like this. So the one we need is the flat surface like this. So I suggest you to use this tool, this PVC cutting tool, so it can cut the PVC and have the result in the same surface like this. So this is to prevent the water leakage. So as this one is the water protector, when we press on the pressure on like this, so it will not leak the water from this one. For example, if you put this one, you can see the hole. You can see the hole here. So the leakage point will be water leakage from here. So you can see when we put it too tight, but still the water can remain leak from this side. So using that tool is the solution. Okay, now just put this one and the PVC to that position. The screw will be here. After that you need to put the water protection here, and you need to make sure that this one is the same flat of this one, and then screw this all the screw together each side to make the PVC get tightened. so it will not move when we screw this one, and it will pressure this one to protect the water leakage. So now you need a screwdriver to tighten the. So please make sure you do the same process. This one a little bit, this one a little bit, and this one a little bit, until you cannot move the screw. So you better put the screwdriver with this side, and you can give more pressure to the screw with this long driver. Okay, little bit, a little bit, and a little bit more. And now we cannot take it out, and put this one, and this is the final one. So when we screw this one, it will pressure the water protection in. Okay, I think I put it this one too high, so we need to adjust this one a little bit to the inside. Okay, now you can see the here is just a little bit more inside, because it's this one we have the dipper here, so it can pressure down this one into the hole. And finally we need to put this one into the tie test to the, and move it tighten. And after that, connect this side to your washing machine and try to turn on the water little bit by little bit until you can fully open the water, until you can fully turn on your water pressure to check out is there any leakage from this side or not. So if there are no any leakage, you now done for your work. Okay, and the third option is the we connect this adapter to the water output like this one. Okay, and first of all we need to screw the 4 screw like this, and this one is a little bit harder than we connect to the PVC, but we can also connect this one. Just make sure that the screw is tight enough to mount your adapter. Okay, can see we screw one by one. After that we need to put the water protector here, and you need to make sure that the hole of the protector is to the correct side of the water output. And then we do the same thing as we connect on the PVC pipe and screw it. And after that we just connect to your washing machine pipe. Okay, and now I want to show you the water protector. Here is the hole of the protector. You need to make sure exactly the hole in the middle of the water output, so that means it did not block the water output. And now that is all for today's video, and thank you everyone for your time watching this video, and I hope you can do it by yourself. And thanks for your time watching this video. I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.